Hello students, welcome in my video. In this video we are going to know 25 very important countries and their capitals with currency of Asian continent. So let us start. Afghanistan. The capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. Currency is Afghani and ISO code is AFA. Armenia. The capital of Armenia is Yerevan. Currency is Armenian dram and ISO code is AMD. Azerbaijan. The capital of Azerbaijan is Manama. Currency is Azerbaijan Manat and ISO code is AZN. Bangladesh. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Currency is Bangladeshi Taka and ISO code is BDT. Bahrain. The capital of Bahrain is Manama. Currency is Bahraini dinar. ISO code is BHD. Bhutan. The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Currency is Bhutanese Ngultram and ISO code is BTN. Brunei. The capital of Brunei is Bandar Seri Begawan. Currency is Brunei dollar and ISO code is BND. Cambodia. The capital of Cambodia is Phnom Penh. Currency is Cambodian Rial and ISO code is KHR. China. The capital of China is Beijing. Currency is renminbi and Chinese yuan and ISO code is CNY. Cyprus. The capital of Cyprus is Nicosia. Currency is European Euro and ISO code is EUR. Georgia. The capital of Georgia is Tbilisi. Currency is Georgian lari and ISO code is GEL. India. The capital of India is New Delhi. Currency is Indian rupee and ISO code is INR. Indonesia. The capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. Currency is Indonesian rupiah and ISO code is IDR. Iran. The capital of Iran is Tehran. Currency is Iranian Rial and ISO code is IRR. Iraq. The capital of Iraq is Baghdad. Currency is Iraqi dinar and ISO code is IQD. Israel. The capital of Israel is Jerusalem. Currency is Israeli new shekel and ISO code is ILS. Japan. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. Currency is Japanese yen and ISO code is JPY. Kazakhstan. The capital of Kazakhstan is Nur Sultan. Currency is Kazakhstani tenge and ISO code is KZT. Kuwait. The capital of Kuwait is Kuwait City. Currency is Kuwaiti dinar and ISO code is KWD. Kyrgyzstan. The capital of Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. Currency is Kyrgyzstani Som and ISO code is KGS. Laos. The capital of Laos is Vientiane. Currency is Lao Kip and ISO code is LAK. Lebanon. The capital of Lebanon is Beirut. Currency is Lebanese pound and ISO code is LBP. Malaysia. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. Currency is Malaysian ringgit and ISO code is MYR. Maldives. The capital of Maldives is Malé. Currency is Maldivian rupiah and ISO code is MVR. Mongolia. The capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. Currency is Mongolian Tugrik and ISO code is MNT. That's all.